The trading setup we're about to present to you in this video has a win ratio of over 90%. Just think about it, 9 times out of 10 when you enter the market, you end up making money. The strategy is very easy to understand. It works on all markets including Forex, stocks and cryptocurrencies, and it's suitable for day trading, which makes this strategy appropriate for beginners and advanced traders. Our video will teach you how to find a signal to place a trade, where to place the stop loss, and the profit target. We will also show you how to add these indicators to your chart and what settings to use at the end of this video. For now, let's understand the idea behind this amazing strategy. If you've been studying price action for a while, you've noticed that the market has 3 phases: uptrend, downtrend, and consolidation. Uptrends are present when the price makes new higher highs and higher lows. The opposite is true for downtrends. The market forms new lower highs and lower lows. You see, it's a lot easier to benefit from such price movements as the trend has already been established. You certainly don't want to be trading in a range market. This is when the price makes equal highs and lows. A lot of traders are aware of this, yet only 1% of them know exactly how to benefit from this information. I encourage you to take a look at this chart. Where do you think is the most ideal place to buy? Here, where the market has already made a move, or where it has made a retraction? It's no secret that the right time to buy is at the pullback. This way you make sure that you enter the market at a discounted price. However, it's not as easy as it looks. There is a major problem in that we do not know if the price will pull back before making another move in the same direction, or if it will reverse completely. That's why we need to use certain indicators to determine whether the pullback is just a retraction but not a change in the trend. So how exactly do we find the perfect trade entry? First, let's start with long trades. For a buy signal to be confirmed, the following conditions must be met. Number 1, the moving averages you see on the chart have to be aligned in a way, so that on the top is yellow, in the middle is green, and at the bottom is purple. Number 2, price action must move above the lines and then pull back into the green one without crossing and closing below it. Third rule, the white dots that you can see on the chart must remain below the price during a pullback. If these conditions are met, a buy order should be placed the moment the candlestick closes above the yellow moving average. Stop loss is placed at the white dots. Target minimum 2 times the risk with an adjustment of the stop loss to the break-even level as soon as the price reaches 1-to-1 risk reward. Okay, let's see one more example. Notice how the price broke above the moving averages, confirming the uptrend. The lines are aligned the way they should be. During the pullback, the candlestick touched the green MA without closing below it. The white dots did not move above the price when this retracement happened, which tells us that bullish momentum is still in place. So we took a long position as soon as the candle closed above the upper MA. For a sell signal to be valid, the following must be met. First, the price is moving below the moving averages. Second, the MAs are aligned so that at the bottom is yellow, at the middle is green, and at the top is purple. Third, price action should reach the green MA without a candlestick closing above it. Fourth, during a retracement, the white dots must remain above the price. When these conditions are met, we wait for the candlestick to close below the yellow MA as the last confirmation for a short entry. The stop loss is placed at the white dots. As with long trades, target at least 2 times the risk with an adjustment of the stop loss to the break-even as soon as the price reaches 1-to-1 risk reward. Now let's see how well this strategy works in different markets. Traders, pay a very close attention to the following trades. You will fully understand the strategy only after seeing these examples. With this secret strategy, you will be able to generate consistent income from trading. On average, you will be getting around 5 to 10 signals per day from different markets. The quality of the signals guarantees success 9 times out of 10, which is truly unbelievable. If you have not subscribed to Magic Indicator Strategies yet, please do so right now. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our future videos. As you can see, by testing this strategy on different markets, I have not found a losing trade yet. Notice how effective this strategy is in the range market. The price usually doesn't respect the conditions in the consolidation stage. Also make sure that you do not deviate from the strategy rules. You should only enter the trade once the price has met all the conditions. You can see for yourself that this method has a really high success ratio. We recommend not risking more than 5% of your account per trade when trading with this strategy. If you're enjoying this video, please like it, as that contributes a lot to the growth of the channel. Okay, now let me show you how to install these indicators to the chart. First, log into TradingView and open the charts. Click on the Indicators button and search for 3 moving averages by Advent Trading. Open the indicators settings and change the lengths to 21, 50 and 100. Also adjust the colors. For the second indicator, add parabolic SAR. The inputs will remain by default, just change the color of the dots to white. Alright, the setup is complete. Till next time.